Hi, good afternoon. Today we're going to be opening the Jordan 5, the off-whites, the black ones. So I just opened the box. I'm taking it out. As you can see from the box, they have a bunch of little holes, like the design from the shoe. It's pretty cute and different. Oh my god, look at this is how it looks when you first open it. They have like a clear wrapping tissue paper. It comes with a red and white shoelace. As you can see, this is my size, 5.5. It looks kind of pretty small. Here's the front. Looks like this. This detail. And then I'll take out the other shoe. So here they are together. This is Jordan. You can take out the circles as well. Here's the back. The side. And then here's the big off-white tag. Really big. You have some splatter. The 23. So much detail. It feels really thick. The material's different. It's very nice.